Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Come here, Zara. Come here. Woo! Say hi. Look at you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have Zoe with me. And for the video, it's gonna be like short and sweet. I showed a few clips of stuff that I did this week, and I really wasn't in those clips, so it's kind of weird, but I don't know if you guys like me in the clips anyways. I just like make appearances every once in a while, and I don't know if my cats are the stars of the video or what. Go get Zara. Go get her. Go get her. Have fun. Don't tear up anything. Alright guys, so it's been a really long time since I've actually been in my office and did any kind of content whatsoever. I'm usually in the kitchen or my bedroom or whatever has like the best lighting, but today it's kind of rainy. It's not that great outside, but we're gonna just go with it. And I want to show you guys some cubicles that I got from Amazon. I was kind of just wanting to get like a shelf to display some of my stuff in here, but shelves are expensive and they're kind of heavy to ship and all that kind of stuff. So I didn't want to worry with that so much. But I got this really cute clear cubicle set and I want to show you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so over here is the cubicle set that I have. I have this older camcorder that I really don't use it often because I have a MacBook Pro now that my husband got me for Christmas. And it's just so easy to airdrop everything from the phone. And I'm really not entirely sure if my phone is actually better than the camcorder. But yeah, so let's get back to the cubicle thing. It's like a really hard plastic. And you take these little corners, they just pop in, pop out. See, it has like a little ridge where it connects to each side. It really wasn't that heavy coming in to the house, and I'm out of breath already. That's bad. Okay, so yeah, I have like markers, and I just filled like the whole entire thing in with stuff I already had. I didn't go out and buy anything. I made this Chanel number 5 thing. I made that from Dollar Tree, and obviously you can tell that I just took a label, well actually just a piece of paper and printed it out, and that's just tape. And then these are just flowers from Amazon. These cups right over here, what I did with those is just kind of rolled them in paint. And they say Crazy Cat, and they're just older cups that I really didn't need. So I just want to kind of spruce them up. What are you doing? Zoe! I think I got paint on this chair right here. Zoe! Anyways. So back to this, over here I just put some boxes down here with like photos and stuff. So that is the cubicle set. But yeah, so this is the upstairs of my house, and over here is the window. Oh, whoops. And it shows it's raining outside, so it's like you really can't do any cool stuff. You can't go to Starbucks. I mean, you could, but who wants to go out there and be in the rain? So every once in a while I do like yoga in here and I have fun. Like I get on this little TV and I put my yoga mat on the floor and then I like get a kitty cat to do yoga with me. And she has fun. But yeah, so this is the bag that I put everything in. And so here's the yoga mat. I think I have like a one of those bands you put on your thighs. All right, so over here, look, we have a little cat door for the cats. They tear up this carpet. It's crazy. We're gonna have to do something about this flooring. So anyways, this is a spare bedroom. And like I said, the carpet's just all messed up. But yeah, over here you can see that it's still raining and it's not that pleasant outside. But this is just where I put all my extra stuff. And eventually what I'm wanting to do is get like an arts and crafts table and like set my computer up in here and maybe like get a Cricut machine and do something cool in this room. But yeah, it's just kind of like a storage room. And then there's Zoe down there playing with the chair. Eventually we'll go in the attic and kind of like sort everything out. But it's a nice house, but like I said, it's older and they've kind of ruined the carpets throughout time. So eventually we'll fix it. What are you doing, little miss? What are you doing, little girl? Zoe, you on camera. So over here I got kind of bored. And I actually had this like really cute journal that my dad got me. And what I did is I pulled out some of the pages of it and I took like the best quotes and what was really cute about it. And I think what I did is just taped it to a regular sheet of paper and then cut it out and laminated these. So it's like a cool kind of decor, really cheap to do. You're just recycling what you already have. And then I added some little lights to it. Oh yeah, so I wanted to show you guys what this is right here. It's like a really inexpensive kind of device or whatever I got from Amazon. And I pretty much get all these cool devices from Amazon, but you hold your phone here, and I think if you've seen one of my videos in the past, I was talking to my sister in the video, and I just put my phone right here, and it just let me like film it with a camcorder of the conversation and everything. But so if you don't want to have your phone over on the table or whatever, you just put it right here. And like I said, I already have one of these downstairs by my bed, which makes it really easy for me to have to like have like a prop to put my phone on so I can watch videos and stuff before I go to bed. All right guys, so I was going to show you something that I actually got from the thrift store. I went a little bit further down to a different town or whatever. It's also in Birmingham. But yeah, so I went to get something really cute, and I was looking for clothes initially, and I actually found this right here. It's a really cute sweater. I was wearing it earlier today. So it's not like a sweater, it was kind of like a fleece sweater. But you know, normally I wear like a size medium or a large or whatever, but it was so large already. It's got like a color block. It's got like this color and then the blue right here. So it's two-toned. And I got this from a thrift store called Vapor, and they have like really higher sophisticated kind of clothing. Their stuff is a little more expensive. Like I think this was $8, and honestly I'm used to spending like $1.20 or $2 on stuff. But I got this really cute lunch bag right here. It's kind of got like a nautical sophisticated kind of look to it. I think I got it for $4.99, so it was like 5 something. And it's got these straps right here that are not leather, but they're kind of like that imitated look right here. And I'm out of breath because I just ran downstairs. We were filming upstairs, and me and the kitty cats were having fun. So right here, it opens up, and it's like a real nice soft blue material. It has gold hardware. I think it's Merona. So if it's Merona, I'm pretty sure that's from Target. Which if it's from Target, it's probably at least $28 at one point in time or something like that. So it's got a nice zipper to it. You can usually tell if a bag is high quality, you know, based on how easily it zips. I know some people look at that as like a feature. And right here, it can be taken off, or it can be just more like a handbag and not like a shoulder strap. But that is it. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you one other thing that I got for Christmas, and I'm an avid drinker of water. I love faucet water, regular water, along with tea, coffee, and everything else I shouldn't be drinking. But when I do drink my water, I love Hydro Jugs, and I'm not sponsored in any way, but it says Hydro Jug right there, so you know it's the real deal, and it's not anything fake. So right here is a little spout. I need to get some straws for it. I found on Amazon where you can get them and not have to, you get a lot more for your money rather than going to the Hydro Jug website and getting it there. So you would put your ice in this canister right here, and then the sleeves are actually removable, just like that. And then you have this cool handle, it keeps it cold. I'm not sure if it's obviously not going to work as well as, hold on. Okay, it's not going to work like this, obviously, because this keeps things cold forever. I left it in my car for like 2 days, and the ice was still in it. It's still cold. So this gets like 100, 100% rating on any scale whatsoever. But anyways, so over here is the Hydro Jug, and I have this right here. This will probably go with more like a black type of jug, not so much the pink. The pink and the black look great, but this needs to be like a different color, obviously. But you can tell it's got like a sleeve right here. You can put stuff in there. Little handle. It's got a real soft material, and it has a strap. This is the strap. Whoops! I just dropped a strap. Okay, so we have a strap right here, and you just clamp it just like that. And then you go to the other side, just like that. All right, that is the Hydro Jug.